Kung himayin natin itong fourth impeachment complaint. Bakit tingin
Yes.
nyo guilty sa kasong betrayal of public trust si VP Sara?
Well, hindi naman natin sinasabing guilty. I think it's the courts that would decide if ever the Vice President is guilty. But of course, alam natin na the impeachment proceeding is a constitutional mandate ng Kongreso. And we just would like the Filipino people to realize na kasi alam mo, sa totoo lang, during our hearings sa good government, of which I am the vice chair, and the Quadcom and the Tricom, she refused to take an oath. Pinabayaan lang niya yung kanyang mga deputies ang sumagot, no? Now, mayroon na siyang pagkakataon ngayon sa if ever the impeachment complaint reaches the impeachment court, na pwede niya nang sagutin lahat ng mga alegasyon.
Kung ano naman po yung batayan ng ground na culpable violation of the Constitution laban sa kanya?
Well, binasa ko po itong impeachment complaint na aking inendorso at nakalagay naman dito ang mahuhusay na mga aligasyon na ibinigay, no? For example, like the culpable violation of the Constitution, for example, like ano ba yung mga nakalagay dito? Nakalagay po dito uh, uh, yung circumvention of constitutional accountability for public funds. For example, like 612 million ang allegedly inaakusa sa kanya sa kanyang confidential fund since she was mayor of Davao City. Na kinakailangan sagutin niya ng maayos yan para malaman po ng taong bayan. Kung indeed na siya po ay hindi guilty dyan, then let the people know about it because it is she is actually under the control of the Filipino people na bumoto sa kanya bilang vice president.